Saudara, dominasi Tesla dalam penjualan kendaraan listrik atau EV secara global tengah terusik dengan bergairahnya penjualan produsen dari Tiongkok, terutama BYD yang penjualannya makin melesat di dalam negeri. Akankah dominasi produsen Tiongkok secara domestik ini juga akan meluas ke pasar ekspor? Selengkapnya dilaporkan oleh tim VOA dari Washington DC.
Posisi Tesla sebagai produsen kendaraan listrik atau EV terbesar dunia terdongkel pada kuartal keempat 2023. Pada 3 bulan terakhir tahun lalu, penjualan produsen mobil listrik Tiongkok, BYD, singkatan Build Your Dreams, melampaui 560.000 unit, sementara Tesla menjual sekitar 484.000 mobil.
I think it is a significant moment, BYD outselling Tesla over a quarter. I think what it really shows is the kind of the change that's happening kind of in the car industry at the moment. Most of BYD sales have been within China. It's their biggest market, about 90% of their sales. And a lot of their kind of stuff there is done on selling kind of in big volumes and at quite competitive prices. And obviously they have a massive amount of scale there, whereas Tesla is increasingly find it hard to compete against so many domestic electric car firms.
Meski harga mobil premium BYD setara mobil Tesla di Tiongkok, harga banyak model lainnya jauh lebih murah.
When you can offer this much value for this much money, you're going to attract a much bigger market. We've already proven the price elasticity of demand for the EV as the price war has taken root. But this kind of redefines the whole market price value proposition. Affordability is attractive to anyone everywhere. Whether it's an emerging market or the United States or Europe, this kind of car with this kind of value proposition will sell anywhere.
Tapi Tesla masih merajai pasar secara keseluruhan dengan penjualan lebih dari 1,8 juta mobil pada 2023, peningkatan 37,7% dibandingkan angka 2022.
Kind of the big headline story is Tesla being overtaken. It still is really rapidly increasing the number of electric cars it makes and sells. Tesla, which is a kind of American startup, only started just over a decade ago, and BYD, which is a Chinese firm that only really started making cars about 20 years ago. And they're competing to be the world's biggest EV manufacturer. And at this point, that means that all the big legacy firms, kind of Volkswagen and Ford and Honda and Toyota, are actually playing catch up to these two firms that kind of just weren't on their radar kind of 5-10 years ago.
Bergairahnya pasar EV di Tiongkok dengan beragam insentif pemerintah setempat dipercaya berada di balik sukses BYD dan produsen sejenis dari Tiongkok. Tahun 2023 kemarin, untuk pertama kalinya penjualan kendaraan listrik di Amerika Serikat menembus 1 juta unit dalam setahun, menurut pantauan Cox Automotive. Tapi pada saat yang sama, angka ini hanyalah sekitar 8% dari total penjualan mobil baru di Amerika. Dan sebagai perbandingan, angkanya di Tiongkok bisa mencapai sekitar sepertiga total penjualan. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.